Hello, welcome to English 1 Day 3. Let's go over our agenda really quick. Our do now, you have a would you rather. Our introductions, we're going to look at pessimistic and optimistic again. Our focus activity is going to be around traits of a trailblazer, and fourth, our optimistic close, also known as our exit ticket. All right, so let's go ahead and do our do now. Would you rather speak and understand every language or play all musical instruments, and why? So please pause and head on over to your note catcher located in Schoology, and when you are ready, hit play. All right, our introductions, pessimistic versus optimistic. We're on a light blue slide, so those are ones that I complete as a model, and then the next one will be the pink one for you to complete in your note catcher. What is something you are pessimistic about that you would like to be more optimistic about? So, quick review. Optimistic is an adjective for hopeful and confident about the future, whereas pessimistic is an adjective seeing the worst aspect of things or believe that the worst will happen. Something that I am pessimistic about is my cousin's bad habit of smoking. I would like to be more optimistic because he has tried to quit in the past, and maybe he will try to quit again and be successful. All right, it's your turn. So what is something you are pessimistic about that you would like to be more optimistic about? This information, as well as the sentence stems at the bottom of the slide, are located on your note catcher. So go ahead and press pause and go ahead and respond in your note catcher for number 2. All right, number 3, our focus activity. You're going to watch a brief video introducing all 4 characteristics of traits of a trailblazer. They are professionalism, personal, entrepreneurial, and interpersonal. After you are done watching that, or maybe during, you can pause the video as you go along, whichever works best for you. You're going to answer 3.1 and 3.2 in your note catcher. 3.1. Have you ever been interviewed? If yes, then when and what for? If not, can you predict when and why you will be interviewed? Then 3.2. In your note catcher, write down at least one detail for each characteristic that would help you in an interview. So again, as you review each of these in the video, it may help to pause as you go along and pick out 1 or 2 words to fill out in your chart, your table, on your note catcher for each of these. All right, and when you're done, go ahead and press play once again on our focus activity to our within this video. All right, so which growth mindset quote do you connect with, aka like, the most, and why? First one, stay positive and good things will happen. Or number 2, I never lose, I either win or learn. Once you are done, please make sure you submit your note catcher in Schoology. Thank you.